Hi, Norman Drangshow from the Sea Dog line, and today we're going to show another new product we've come up with. Last year we did the Aurora pop-up lamp, which we teamed up with Ascalati. Great product, comes up 6 inches, 9 inches below deck. People loved it. The only thing they said is, I've got a smaller area, I don't have as much depth. So we've come up now with the Aurora compact LED pop-up. Again, easy push and turn on and down. It comes again with 12 or 24 volt, 7 watts, 500 lumens, 3000 K, so it's a nice warm white. It's got an IP of 66 and a drain in the bottom. Again, something new for 2019. It'll be available this fall, all of 2020. If you have any other questions, go to our website at sea-dog.com. Safe boating out there.